Hey, what's up guys, it's Icy from the PD team. Today I'm going to be doing a short walkthrough and informational video about PD rentals. The first thing I'd like to mention is that the rental will start as soon as you purchase it. Next thing is you'll get an email that will contain all the information you'll need to connect to it, as well as this PDF that will show you how to connect to it. You'll also note that it will tell you that it will take about 15 to 30 minutes for the server to set up and start, so just wait about a half an hour before you try connecting to it. Once you're ready, you go on here and it will show you how to connect on Windows or on Mac. Since I'm on Windows, I'm going to type in remote desktop connection in the search bar. This tab will pop up and I'm going to take the IP that was sent into the email and paste it into where it says computer. The username doesn't matter, just hit connect and another tab will pop up. Then you're going to hit more choices, use a different account, and now you're going to type in the username and password that was provided in the email. You can hit remember me if you plan on disconnecting and reconnecting to the server. That way you won't have to retype in the credentials every time. Hit OK and you'll connect to the server. The first time startup might take a while, but once you're in, you're good to go. Once you're in the server, you'll notice that there's 5 things already preloaded onto here. A proxy tester, Google Chrome, Notepad++, Project Destroyer, and Swoosh Destroyer. I'd like to mention that if you go into Google Chrome and go to the bookmarks, you'll notice that we have a few pages bookmarked. Use these if you need them, they'll help you a lot. All you have to do to get going is click on Project Destroyer, it will open up, won't ask for a key or anything, and you're good to go. I'd like to note that this key can only be used on this server and you won't be able to see the key anyhow. So that's it for the video. I hope this helped. Good luck.